In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Hubspot with Sendgrid. By the end, you'll have the Sendgrid connector installed in your Hubspot portal, so you can route emails through Sendgrid and set yourself up for better deliverability and tracking. Start by opening your browser and heading to your favorite search engine. Type Hubspot, then click through to the official Hubspot website. Sign in to your Hubspot account using your usual credentials. If you manage more than one portal, make sure you're in the correct one before you continue. You'll need permission to install apps, so if you don't see the install options later, check with your account admin. Once you're in, look to the top navigation bar for the Marketplace icon. It's the entry point to Hubspot's App Marketplace. Click that icon, then choose the App Marketplace to open the catalog of integrations. In the Marketplace, use the search bar and type Sendgrid. You'll see results related to Sendgrid. Click the listing called Sendgrid Connector. Take a moment on the listing page to review what the connector does, the permissions it requests, and any notes from the provider. Verifying the app details up front helps avoid surprises later. When you're ready, click Install. Hubspot will prompt you to select which account or workspace you want to connect. If you have multiple portals, pick the one you're currently working in. Then confirm your selection by choosing the account. Next, you'll see a permissions and authorization screen. Read through the requested scopes so you understand what access the connector needs. Check the box to accept the terms and privacy policy. This is required for the app to proceed. After that, click Connect App to authorize the connector. You may see a brief redirect while Hubspot and the connector complete the handshake. When it finishes, switch back to your Hubspot tab and refresh the page to load the latest status. After the refresh, you should see that the Sendgrid connector is now installed and available in your portal. If the status doesn't update immediately, give it a moment and refresh again. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure you're signed in as a user with install permissions. Verify you selected the correct Hubspot portal if you manage several, and keep your Sendgrid account details handy in case the connector asks you to complete provider-side authentication after installation. That's it. Your Hubspot portal is now connected through the Sendgrid connector, and you're ready to continue configuring your email workflows with improved deliverability in mind.